We lose energy as we age. Skin cells slow down in their life cycles. Tissues collapse into wrinkles. Firmness and glow is diminished. Vital energy is depleted by time. To radically alter this downward spiral, the scientists at Swiss Celergen laboratories have created a major breakthrough in cosmetics biotechnology. Introducing Celergen Serum Royale from Switzerland. This advanced anti-aging serum captures the elements of cellular therapy, delivering amazing results, and addresses the most visible signs of aging. It awakens, recharges, and renews the power deep within our own skin. Developed and researched in Switzerland, Celergen Serum Royale is lavishly infused with bioactive ingredients, namely specialized cell extracts from botanical plants, botanicels, Celergen, and Celergen's proprietary exclusive bio-DNA cellular marine complex and peptide E collagen. This powerful rejuvenator will transform the appearance of your skin into a firmer and seemingly porcelain state. Celergen's exclusive bio-DNA cellular marine complex. With the overwhelming success of Celergen's advanced Swiss marine cell therapy supplement, Celergen Serum Royale also incorporates the powerful and effective bio-DNA cellular marine complex. By increasing the oxygen supply to our cells during the cellular process, this cell energizer propels your skin to agelessness. OxyCell allows our cell epidermis to absorb optimum oxygen, essential for the metabolic process, calming the chronic silent inflammation. Your skin stem cells awaken. Regeneration accelerates. Experience our Swiss Moisture Essentials in a bottle. Botanicels, derived exclusively from botanical plant placentas and extracts, work against oxidative stress and provide essential nutrients for cell growth and development. Celergen stimulates the healing process to help continuously repair wrinkles and promote tissue firmness. Beauty never sleeps. Celergen Serum Royale is clinically proven by renowned Skin Testing Institute in Switzerland. 90% noticed an improvement in their skin texture. 80% reported that their skin appeared refreshed and renewed. 75% noticed an improvement in the appearance of lines and wrinkles. Redefine the luxury of youth. Celergen Advanced Swiss Marine Cell Therapy Supplement and Celergen Serum Royale. A perfect match to regain your vibrant youth. You will never look your age again.